Bora pra resenha com essa calça.
Calça tá como?
Numéro 9, Edinson. Numéro 10, Da Silva Santos Junior.
So you know what'll happen if they win tonight.
I think everyone expects them to win tonight and go top of the league, and I think it's going to be very difficult for any team to displace them. I think Monaco have made a promising start when you consider the amount of players they've lost, but this Paris Saint-Germain squad just looks so strong.
Neymar pulled back there.
It's great skill, isn't it? A little Cruyff turn. It's just the change of pace to get away from Durmaz as well that forces him to foul him.
Di Maria. Forward comes Neymar. Look at Cavani making the run into the middle. It's back towards Di Maria. Neymar, pass one. Pass two. Neymar up against Diop. In towards Di Maria by Dani Alves. Played infield, is that the moment? No, not quite for Neymar.
It's exhilarating football from Paris Saint-Germain. It's quick into play here between Dani Alves and Angel Di Maria. A little back heel into Alves' path. Picks out the perfect pass this time.
Neymar drives it across, takes a deflection and almost in, but not quite.
Lovely play again, wasn't it? Crossfield pass out to Kazawa. Back heeled into the path of Neymar. Strikes it, looking for that far post.
Lofted ball in towards Cavani. Made a mess of it.
You almost wonder if he's in two minds. He almost puts his hand up to apologise. A wonderful ball from Neymar, isn't it? Perfectly weighted.
Mbappé loses out to Neymar. Neymar felt he was fouled, and indeed Barcelona have been inquiring about Marco Verratti. Neymar. Cavani. Di Maria. Dani Alves to his right. Here he is. Towards Neymar off the outside of the post.
Well, it's the second time this evening he's hit the woodwork. Lovely cross from Dani Alves once again, arriving at the back post. Gets in front of Amiens. Just guides his head up towards that bottom corner. He's going to be scoring pretty much a goal a game for Paris Saint-Germain, particularly against the weaker teams in Liga.
Neymar trying to drive his way through. Neymar up against Amiens. Rabiot drives it across, saved one-handed, and there it is. Neymar scores on his debut to bring PSG level, and the Parc des Princes gets to its collective feet to cheer in acclaim.
Yeah, you can't say it hasn't been coming, has it? They really have peppered this Toulouse goal, and finally something falls from in the box. Blaise Matuidi happy in the crowd. Starts with Neymar, finishes with Neymar, this move.
Rabiot goes for the corner and finds it. And PSG have turned this match around with two quick goals. Adrien Rabiot making it 2-1.
Such an elegant player, isn't he, Adrien Rabiot?
Kazawa steps away from the challenge of Durmaz. Kazawa's header, Rabiot. Finds Kazawa. Neymar. Lovely little chip towards Cavani.
Pero era yo, por eso yo tenía la mano levantada, para que piense, para que...
Neymar steps away from Corentin. Neymar. Neymar knew the challenge was coming in there from Alexis Blin. Dani Alves going to set up his fellow Brazilian Neymar.
He thought about hitting it on the volley, didn't he? But thought better of it.
But a skill to step away from the challenge. Neymar still going. Crashes into the advertising hoardings.
He was looking for a penalty, wasn't he? There was certainly a little bit of contact from behind that forced him into those advertising hoardings. There was a rash challenge as well that was quite late that may have caught Neymar as he was going off the pitch, but I don't think there was enough from the initial challenge. A great run though, isn't it? Goes past Michelin.
Dani Alves with it deep towards Neymar. Can he get the shot away?
Neymar reads the flight of the ball better than Amiens, but Diop gets out and round and covers his defensive partner.
Neymar trying to stay inside. Here he is as the defence had retreated there. Caught late. That's despite Cavani getting 35 goals in Ligue 1 last season.
He just misses so many chances.
Down in the area, penalty kick.
Yeah, in the same way that Verratti's was a silly challenge to make. Andy Delort here. As soon as Neymar goes past him there, he cannot make the challenge from behind. Just stay on your feet. You've got Michelin coming over to cover.
They've scored in each of their opening 3 Ligue 1 matches. Foul on Neymar. Oh, is that a card that looked like was coming out of red there from the Neymar. It's 5. Levin Kazawa. Neymar played his part. Kazawa applied the finish.
Well, once again, this is Toulouse switching off from a set piece. They did it at a free kick a couple of minutes ago. This time they're not ready for the corner. Neymar just has a little glance at Kazawa.
Rabiot for Marseille. Clinton N'Jie, former Tottenham man, scoring for Marseille. Here comes Kazawa, driving it into the middle and just away in the... Neymar. Well, that's just showing off. Neymar. I think that's what Corentin thought as well. He's going to get a yellow card for it.
Yeah, he gets a yellow card, but that was the frustration that he thought that there was no need really for Neymar to do that.
In 14th place in Ligue 1, a couple of points above the bottom 3. Draxler. Neymar. Twisting, turning, trying to flick the ball through. Still going. Neymar! How about that? It's 6 for PSG.
It's wonderful footwork, isn't it? But Toulouse miss a big opportunity just to clear their lines here. They try and get too clever there. Now Neymar a second bite at getting on the ball, and he wasn't going to let him off the hook twice. Wonderful skill, little Maradona turn in there. Ball goes into his feet. He tries to wriggle away from 2 defenders. They actually win it back. They have a chance to clear it. They don't do it. Julien misses his kick. And then after that, it's all about Neymar and his ability on the ball, isn't it? Wonderful, there you go. Maradona turns, hits it with his left foot into the bottom corner. 6-2 puts a seal on an excellent Paris Saint-Germain performance.